Hello,
Hello.
Maher?
Uh,
Mahed?
how are you?
Good, good, good. How are you doing?
I'm also fine. Could you please open your camera?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. My camera. There it is. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
How's it?
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Yes, yes. So you're a web developer, is that right?
Uh,
Website?
no. Actually, I provide the SEO service and marketing service.
Okay, okay. That's exactly what I need.
Yeah, but I see you need the developer.
Uh, I need a developer.
Yeah, you need some work with website development, but mainly I provide the SEO or marketing service for law firm based on USA.
Okay, okay. Just a moment. Can I can we call in about 10 minutes one more time?
Okay, sure,
I
perfect.
have to disconnect. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay,
I'll
perfect.
disconnect and let's reconnect again in half an hour.
Okay, bye
In
bye.
10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes, right? Okay, all right, all right. Thank you.
Okay.